Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Brevo as a CRM. So the first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then you just have to use the search bar at the top and then search for Brevo. And then you'd be able to see this first website, so just simply click on this one. Okay, that's right. Then before we sign up for an account, we have to check the pricing first. And here, 5 ways to work smarter, not harder. So you just have to go to the pricing section. And here we have different plans. So for the yearly, we have this amount. And for the monthly, we have this amount as well. So we have here marketing platform, conversations platform, sales platform, and then customer data platform. Okay, so for this video, I'm just going to use the free plan. Just simply click on the sign up for free option at the top. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and here you just have to create your account, so no credit card needed. So you just have to sign up with Google or sign up with Apple or type out your email or your password right here. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google account, and then once you're done, you'd be directed to this section. So basically this is your homepage. So you'll be able to see your calendar, and I'm going to go to the contact section. Okay, so we are going to go to this different option at the left side later on. So we have the contacts, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. So let's start with the homepage. So here, if you would like to create a campaign or a task, just click on the add create option. And then for the contacts, this is your contact database. So from here, you can view, organize, and manage your contacts or as a group. So you have your contact. Okay, so here if you would like to create a contact or import contacts, just simply click on this option at the top. So for example, we are going to create a contact, so here you just have to type out the details of our contacts. After that, just simply click on the create option at the bottom right. And here to import contacts, just simply click on the import contacts option. And here we have contacts, companies, deals, or nodes, and then just click on continue after that. And then you'll be directed to this section. So import contacts for bulk creations or updating. So I can import from my file, copy paste, or import from another tool. Okay, so let's go back here. And then here, this is the list of your contacts. You have your segments, the companies, the landing pages, and the forms, and of course, your settings. Okay, so now let's proceed to the campaigns section. So let me just go back to the home page and then click on the campaigns. Okay, so right here, you'd be able to see all of your email campaigns and your SMS campaigns. Now let's try to create a new campaign. And then here we have this one of campaign from scratch. So we are going to start with the SMS. So we have welcome message, anniversary date, website event, product purchase, and more. So let me just create an email for this one. So we have regular and A/B task. So for the campaign name, you just have to create your campaign name right here. And then just click on create campaign option. Okay, so here you just have to put here sender, and then your recipient, your subject, and then your design, and you can go to the additional settings as well. So to add your recipient, just simply click on the add recipient option. That's right. And here you just have to select your contacts. Okay, and then you can also use the search bar to search for a specific contact. So after adding your recipient, you just have to simply click on the save option. Okay, so let me just close this one. And the next is your subject. Okay, here you just have to type out your subject line and then your preview text. And then as you can see at the right side, you'd be able to see here how it's going to look like. Next one is the design. So here you can select a template. So we have here different layouts, and we also have template gallery, my template campaigns, and then you can also code your own. Let's say for example, we are going to select from template gallery, and then we are going to use this one. So just simply click on the use template option, and now you can start customizing this template as it is yours. Okay, so you can add here different elements like text, paragraph, images, and more. So you can customize here the logo or add your own logo, and then just have to upload here your own images, and then after that we can preview this one and test. So this is how it looks like on the desktop view. You can also click on the mobile view if you want to. Okay, so now that we are done with the campaigns, okay, so let me just go back right here so you can schedule this one if you want to. And then here in the template section, you'll be able to see here the different templates, and of course you can also create your own template. So just click on this one. Then when you go to the statistics section, you'll be able to see here the statistics of your campaigns and your conversations. And here is your settings. Now let's proceed to the automation. So for the automation, we have these different options as well. So to create our own automation, just click on create an automation option at the top right. So here you can choose to build with a new editor or create in the classic editor. So you can also use one of the automation we built for you. So we have here improve engagement, increase traffic, increase revenue, and build relationship. So we are going to use this welcome message. Okay. So if you're going to use this one, just simply click on create automation. So just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'd be redirected to this section. You just have to follow the different steps. So for step number 1 is we are going to add here our contact. Okay, so we are just going to select a contact from our list. Okay, then after adding your contact, just simply click on the next option. Then if you would like to create a new contact list, just simply click on the create a new contact. Now for step number 2 is we are going to define here and then save this rule, okay, for the time delay. And then for the last step is we are going to customize the email template provided and check the information in this step. Then you just have to select the confirm option. Okay, so here what event data to display. So we are going to select the email doesn't have variables for this one. And then here you have your subject line and then your preview text as well as your email address. Okay, and then after that, you just have to make sure to activate the automation. So just simply click on the activate automation at the top right, and here you just have to read this note and click on activate automation. So here this automation has been activated. So now let's go back right here. Okay, so when we go back to the options from the left side, we'll be able to see here the logs, the email template, as well as the settings. Okay, so let me just close this one first. So here is our welcome message or the welcome message that we have created. And here we also have this instructional, the conversations, the deals, the meetings, and the calls. And then if you would like us to create more videos about this different options to the left side, just leave your comment below. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped yourself or concerned, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.